What is up, YouTube? And we back, man. Ooh, it's hot over here. I'm telling you that for real, man. So earlier today, this morning, it's about 12 o'clock. Like I said, I normally start my day around 9, 10, like moving. I get up around 6 and, get out and get active during the day. So actually start my day. I do my little meditating from 6 to 3, getting my mind right for the day. But we'll talk about that some other time. But other than that, man, I just wanted to show y'all what I was starting today. Today's video is gonna be me revealing the inside of Paradise Pony. Also, I'm gonna talk a little bit about my EDC experience. My first time going, Mama Black, Daddy Black, EDC. All you hear is about people tripping on drugs, this, that, and the third. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little, synopsis of what I think and how I experienced it. And I'm gonna show y'all some of the clips because I did vlog it, of course, like I said I was going to. So, I'm a vlogger now, so we're gonna try to keep y'all with these consistent vlogs. And like I say, like, comment, subscribe in this video for sure. Let me know what y'all think about this video because it's gonna be a lot of different clips, a lot of different types of things going on in this particular video. So it's not gonna be too long, but it is gonna be very, 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 very like sporadic all over the place. So. Side up back into the shop, man. And I see this little baby. I don't know what the hell it is. And the other day we was out here and Nicole said she seen something. Right here, we got the LED kit that's gonna be going in. Super cool, super cool. Control it with your phone. These gonna go on the seats. We already opened it, tested it out, checked it out. It's got everything in there. I don't know how I'm gonna run the little fiber optic because these got like this little, I don't know, it's like a fiber optic line. Got a little squeegee type. I don't know what you want to call that. And then right here, we're gonna be getting the ride wave on. Y'all see that? Everybody hating on me. Nah, but for real though, like I was saying in the video before, man, back in Columbus, I got my windows tinted by one of my homeboys I went to middle school with or whatever. And I mean, he did what he could, bro. Like, it was his first time. Bro, I mean, it ain't turned out bad, but at the same time, it ain't turned out good. So I feel like I could do a better job. So we're gonna be trying that. And yeah, man, I got this kit right here. This is my Dremel kit. We're gonna be doing some custom things with that light stuff. Like, you're not even gonna be able to see that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this, get this video rolling. Go ahead and let y'all see the inside, man. Quit playing with your boy. Ooh. Fresh insides. Quit playing with your boy. It's all scuffed up. Your boy was in here moving around. I gotta get up in here and clean that. Come through with the wipe down. Yeah, y'all can see I already got it, the line ran to where I'm gonna plug into the power. And then that's all gonna be hidden. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all set up. Maybe I'll set y'all up so y'all can watch and see me run it. Or maybe I'll just turn y'all on once I get it done. I don't know how I want this video to go yet, but yeah, man. Thing look nice, real nice. Came out real nice. Alright, so I got it routed like likely how I'm gonna run it basically. I have two of these fiber optic hoses going, one to the back, one going up to the top. I'm gonna have it up here. Then we got three more over here. I'm gonna have one going across the dash right here. The other one gonna be in the dash over here. So I'm gonna have one right here, boom. Then one gonna come over here, boom. I'm gonna have one of them inside here. And yeah, that's it. Then we got the four under the seat light. We got the under the seat, under the seat, under the foot wheel, driver wheel, on the steering wheel, driver seat side. That's gonna be down there close to the speaker, so if you ever wanna run the sound with the music control, with the lights, with the light show, it'll play off of that. Yeah, so yeah Alright guys, so I done got to a point where, you know, I said I wanted to run one of the lights up here, so I had to go find these little skewer sticks that we had, and I taped some of them together. Now I'm gonna use it and snake it through to the middle, and then I'm gonna go up in there, just go in between the headliner, snake it through the middle and get it in there, boom. Then we're gonna get it locked down. I'm gonna catch you guys back on once I get this ran. Got it going up through here. Alright, I'm gonna catch you guys back on in a minute. And there you guys have it, man. Got it going underneath the carpet right here. Got it mounted up there. Put a little tape, that tape the wires up away. Boom. And I got one up in there. I got one right there, and I'm gonna run a little line through the back. Check out this next. I'm gonna take this off. Shit this off. Go ahead and get ready, my boy. You coming up out of here. Yeah. Alright guys, this is gonna be the end of this video right here. In the next video, probably gonna have the windows tinted in the full interior and inside, and let y'all guys see how it looks down in the bottom. So let me know what you guys think in the video, in the comments about this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe, man. I'm gonna throw a little bit of my next video that I'm working on. I'm working on the EDC video. Like I said, wife, she taught me into going to EDC for the first time, man. That shit was so fun. I can't even lie. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna do a video on that, and then let y'all see how much fun we had, cause we had a blast, yo. For real. So other than that, man, we got it knocked out. And I have it to where the button is down here. You can't see it, it's hidden. Shit. Press that joint. Then when the seat's in, you know. That's the one I'm running the little wires through the back. I'm gonna put a little fiber optic thing. I'm gonna put that. It's gonna come around the outside right here. Just like so.